Good morning. Thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Thursday, December 5th. Seeing some mostly sunny skies out there this morning. We are going to see another chillier day. Temperatures only getting up into the mid to upper 40s early this afternoon. We will be seeing clouds increase as we go into tonight, and we are currently also under a wind advisory. Just seeing some brief wind gusts for 25 knots, mainly over on the island, and that'll continue through at least early this afternoon. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, we still have some high pressure building across the southeast, and then that persistent trough that's been across the northeast. That pressure gradient between those two has given us a little bit of some higher northwesterly winds. We did have some drier air mass move into place, and that's last night, and that's helping to give us some of the mostly sunny skies. We are going to be seeing an additional shortwave move across the area tomorrow, which is going to help to bring in a little bit more some mid-level cloudiness. There's currently this weak low here across the northern plains. That's going to continue to move eastward, and this front's going to move across the area as we go into tomorrow night, but it does look like it's not really going to have any moisture to work with, so just going to be seeing an uptick in cloudiness for tomorrow, maybe a slight chance of a sprinkle Friday night, and then dry and cold for our Saturday. Taking a look at our upper level winds this morning, we are seeing northwesterly winds pretty much across the entire column. They're running around 15 knots or so at the surface, increasing to around 30 knots between 1,000 to 6,000 feet, and then a little bit of a maximum there at the 9,000 foot level up to 40 knots, and then seeing them increase from 60 knots at 16,000 feet up to around 95 knots at the 25,000 foot level this morning. Seeing our freezing level at 2,500 feet as of 12Z this morning. Let's take a quick look at our satellite loop across the region. There you see we are seeing some mostly sunny skies pretty much across the mid-Atlantic, a little bit of an uptick in cloudiness across the northern half of the Delmarva and Pennsylvania there. We're going to continue to see just a few to a scattered cloud deck around 4,500 feet as we go throughout the day today, and then seeing an increase in our upper level cloudiness as we go into tonight. For today, going to be looking at a high of around 47 degrees early this afternoon. We'll see those northwesterly winds continue, becoming 14 to 19 knots and gusty late this morning into the afternoon hours. Then they'll slowly decrease through sunset, becoming fairly light and variable in the overnight hours and into mid-morning Friday, expecting a low tomorrow morning of around 34 degrees. Taking a look at our terminal forecast for today, just going to be seeing that cloud deck a few to scattered around 4,500 feet throughout much of the workday today. Then starting to see some cirrus moving in as we get closer to sunset and into this evening, becoming few at 4,000 and scattered at 25,000 at 7, with that lower level cloudiness disappearing just before midnight, and then seeing some mid-level cloudiness come in after midnight, and then just seeing a few clouds at 10,000 feet scattered at 14,000 and a broken cirrus deck by sunrise tomorrow. Seeing tides back to normal along the Delmarva Atlantic coast this morning. Let's take a look at our extended outlook now, taking a look at our weather model. This is for this morning, still seeing that trough across the northeastern United States. We have that weak area of high pressure building in. We'll see that high pressure build in more tonight, and then seeing a little bit of that mid and upper level cloudiness get caught up in the flow as our next shortwave approaches. But as that high pressure moves off the southeast, we are going to be seeing a little bit more of a milder day across the area tomorrow as we get some southwesterly winds developing ahead of our next little shortwave. And there you see that little front starting to approach the area. Really not going to be looking at any real chances of rain as we go into Friday night with that frontal passage. It looks pretty dry. This model is outputting just a little bit of rain, but this is really the only one that's doing it. So only really expecting an uptick in cloudiness Friday night and Saturday. As we go into Saturday, behind that dry cold front, we are going to get some cold high pressure building in across the northeastern United States. That's going to give us a really chilly day on Saturday. Temperature is only getting up into the mid 40s for our high, and then we'll start to see things moderate a bit as we go into Sunday, as we'll have our next system approach the area. That high pressure is going to build more north of Bermuda and broaden out. That's going to help to give us some southerly winds returning Sunday night, and we're going to get some more moisture quickly moving into the area as we get caught up between that southwesterly flow of that high pressure over Bermuda and then a trough starting to dig into the Midwest. We're also going to get some upper level energy starting to move over the area, and that's going to give us a chance of some shower activity as we go late into the night on Sunday and especially into Monday. Monday looks like chances of showers throughout the entire day. Can't rule out a slight chance of an isolated thunderstorm, mainly to areas just north of Wallops, but there will be that chance, and we're also going to be seeing those temperatures really increase from what we have been seeing. Temperatures will be returning to around in the 60s for Monday and Tuesday with that moist southwesterly flow developing across the region. That moist southwesterly flow will continue with those showers Monday night and into Tuesday as well, and then we'll get a pretty strong cold front start to finally approach the area Tuesday, giving us additional rounds of rain, which should persist through Tuesday night, and then looks like it'll exit Wednesday morning. And then as we go into the end of next week, we're going to get a much colder air mass starting to settle over the area for the end of the work week next week. So taking a look at our 7-day forecast overview here, expecting that high of 47 today. A little bit more milder tomorrow as we get some southwesterly flow with that high pressure off of the southeast, expecting a high of 53. We're going to get that dry cold front passage Friday night into Saturday, only looking around a 10% chance of a sprinkle, so not really worth mentioning. We are just going to be seeing an uptick in cloudiness with that frontal passage, but it will have an impact on our temperature Saturday, giving us a chilly day on Saturday under mostly sunny skies with a high of only 45 degrees. As we move into Sunday, that cold high is going to expand well east of the area, kind of over Bermuda, as that trough starts to dig into the Midwest. That's going to give us a return of some more southerly flow, which will help bring our temperatures back to normal for Sunday with a high of around 51 degrees under mostly cloudy skies, especially in the afternoons when we'll really see that cloud cover start to increase. As we move into Sunday night, we're going to see that moisture really increase across the area, as well as some upper level energy, giving us some chances of showers after midnight Sunday night into Monday, with showers continuing throughout the day Monday. You see, we're going to see that low of 48 Sunday night occur early in the evening Sunday, as we'll have temperatures rising with that southwesterly flow increasing Sunday night into Monday. And then Monday and Tuesday, you see those temperatures are going to be back near 60 degrees as we get that more milder southwesterly flow and an increase in moisture across the region. Really not seeing that temperature drop much at all Monday night into Tuesday. Showers will continue throughout the day Tuesday as we have a cold front approach. We're also going to expect some breezier winds as well. And then a little bit of a discrepancy in our forecast models for Tuesday night into Wednesday as exactly when that frontal passage is going to move through the area. That'll have a big impact on our temperatures as well. It does look like Tuesday we will have those showers throughout the day. That frontal passage moving through the area sometimes Tuesday evening, but some of the models are slowing it down a bit, allowing that rain to extend through the hours of Wednesday morning. So that will be something to look at, and that will have an impact on our temperatures, as if we can get that front moving through a little quicker, that rain will shut off, but we'll also get that colder air moving in a lot quicker, expecting the high temperature of Wednesday to occur in the morning, as that cold air will move in pretty quickly, allowing those temperatures to drop throughout the day on Wednesday. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 a.m. and at 10 a.m. Have a great day.